Well, we've learned about fade cues and how to fade and stop a cue. Now, what I want to talk about are our auto follows, right? And ways that we can make things happen automatically. So, if I go back to my song that I've just done and I hit go, it's going to play, and I'll watch this time counter until we get to the vocals. And the vocals seem to happen around 5 seconds. So, right around 5 seconds is when the vocals happen. And I want to go ahead and fade to my underscore automatically just as the vocals hit. So, the way that we do that is to go ahead and select our first cue, and we want to go to our Basics tab. And you can look down here where it says Continue, right? And what we're going to want this cue to do is to automatically continue to the next cue, right? So when I press go, it's going to automatically trigger both the song and the fade to song. You can see they're both playing, and we're fading 6 seconds, right? And so we faded into the vocals. Now, that's great. But maybe I don't want them to follow on, at the exact same time. I would like it to delay a little bit, right? So to do that, I'm going to select this, and I'm going to change the pre-wait time, which is how long it's going to wait before it executes. So I'm just going to double click that, and I'm going to say, I don't know, how about 3, enter. Right? So now this will wait 3 seconds before triggering the fade. 1, 2, 3. Now it starts its fade. And we fade to underscoring levels, right? So we can control an automatic fade, right? So this fade to song is now built in, right? Because it is set as an auto continue. I will note that auto continue and auto follow can also both be selected from this last little column over here that looks like a little anchor, right? So an anchor is an auto continue, this little down arrow with the circle on top. And then this little chevron over here is an auto continue, right? And you can select by just clicking over there whether it says auto continue or an auto follow or do not continue. You can select them fast and easy, right, from just this column just by clicking on them. So that's how we do an auto follow, and we can auto follow anything that we want, right? After our phone fades, right? After that fade is complete, we could put an auto follow, which means that that fade happens completely before the next one begins. Let's listen to how that might sound. We start our song, fading, and once the fade is complete, our phone rings. Then to stop our phone, we press go, and our song continues underneath, right? So let's go ahead and hit escape, and we'll stop all that. So that's a little bit about auto follow and auto continue. And file, screen record, and stop.